The Mate 30 Pro is one of the most anticipated phones this year, and I'll be covering all the details right after this. If you're new here and want to stay up to date with the latest tech, please hit subscribe followed by the bell. So the Mate series has always been very popular, and this was no different with the Mate 20 Pro. With the launch of the Mate 30 Pro on the way, we're now receiving leaks, rumours and concept images that show this is going to be another successful device. First of all, the design. Industry sources have revealed that the Mate 30 Pro is going to be equipped with a 6.71-inch OLED screen that will be manufactured by BOE. It's said that the display will actually be curved on all four sides. Unfortunately, no information has been leaked as to whether or not this will be a full screen display, a notch display or a punch hole camera inside the display. And while we're hoping for 3D face unlock again, it will depend on the selfie camera situation. It's reportedly going to be powered by the latest 7nm Kirin 985 chipset, and this is said to be manufactured using 7nm EUV lithography that will bring 20% better performance over the previous Kirin 980. It's also going to include the Belong 5000 modem to bring 5G connectivity to the device. There have been rumours suggesting that the device is going to come with 5 rear cameras, but these latest industry sources are now saying 4. While the exact sensors are not known at this time, they're saying that it will include a time-of-flight sensor, and no doubt they will be Leica. It's expected that they're going to retain the square layout as before, one sensor in each corner with an LED flash in the centre. It's said to be powered by a 4200 mAh battery, which does seem a little small considering the size of the device, but it also comes with 55 watt supercharged technology that is already available on the Mate X foldable phone. As well as this, it's also going to have 10 watt reverse wireless charge technology. Huawei do seem to be pushing their nano memory cards, so we can expect support for expandable storage, and 128GB storage will likely be the minimum variant. With the rest of the market going so high, we could probably expect them to also go up between 6 to 12GB of RAM. As well as the Pro, there's also going to be a standard Mate 30, and we may even see another Mate 30 Lite. And when it comes to pricing, not much has been revealed as of yet, but the Mate 20 Pro launched at £899, which is $1,150, so we can likely expect to see roughly the same, if not higher. The launch is expected to be October as usual, so it's still going to be a little while until we find out all the details, but as always, the closer we get, the more leaks that surface, and I'll continue to share them with you guys as they do. As always though, I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments. How many of you are waiting for the Mate 30 or Mate 30 Pro, and what do you think they'll be doing with the selfie camera this year? But thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, smash the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.